Hey YouTube, this is an unboxing of a Xingbao alien set. So as you can see on the box, it's 20 pieces. I got this from Xingbao, which is a suburb in Hong Kong. They often say that is the Akihabara of Hong Kong. And this was purchased from a street market kind of thing. So a street market store, but there was a store behind it, and I'm not sure if the stall was associated with the shop behind it. But as you can see, it's pretty well packaged. The box itself is pretty thick cardboard, so the quality isn't too bad, and the picture is holographic. You can see the rainbow effect on it. All in all, I mean, a bit scuffed on the edge, and I guess what can you expect? This cost me 400 Hong Kong dollars. I'm not sure what that works out to, but in Australia be about $74 or something like that. The manual is quite impressive. Look at how thick that is. And there's a picture of the final product. Signatures and decals. This is great. That's the designer, obviously. Now I know many people have different views on Le Pin bricks. This isn't a Le Pin, of course. It's a Xingbao. Although the branding on these Lego type Chinese products is always a bit questionable. I really wonder if there are different companies making these things. The quality of the bricks, however, generally has improved significantly over the years. So here we are. Here are the parts. Wow. The packaging is as good as you'd expect, and I'll try and zoom in a little on the parts so you can get a sense of what the bricks look like. It's just a lot of parts. So there you have it. Unboxing a Xingbao XB-04001 alien set. Thank you.